Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a DIY video of Arduino based Bitcoin ticker. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency and ticker means we will fetch the value and we will show it on the display panel, and that is LCD. This is our Arduino code and this is our setup. This is the NodeMCU ESP12E board. This is a Nokia LCD. We will connect the LCD with the NodeMCU board and we'll upload the code. In the code, we have mentioned some links. This is the link for the website from which we will fetch the value of Bitcoin. Some libraries are needed for the Arduino code. These are the links for the libraries. This one is the API to get the Bitcoin currency value. These two are the LCD libraries. So now we will connect the NodeMCU with the LCD. These are the pin connections. First we will connect D0 pin of the NodeMCU with the RST pin of the LCD. Then D1 pin with the CE pin. After that D5 pin with the clock pin. D6 pin with the DC pin. D7 pin with the D-in pin. Backlight pin to the 3 volts VCC. And VCC with the 3 volt and ground pin. Now setup is complete. Now we will understand the code. These are the library that we have included in the code which are needed for compiling and developing the program. The first one is the API to get the cryptocurrency value. Second one is the ESP library. The third one is for the Wi-Fi communication. Fourth one is the Arduino JSON library. JSON is a format in which we will fetch the data from the website. The cryptocurrency website will return the data in a JSON format. That's why we will need the Arduino JSON library. The SPI library to communicate with the LCD. And the Adafruit graphics library to show the text information or graphics information on the LCD. This is the statement for initializing the LCD panel. These are Wi-Fi credentials to which our NodeMCU will connect. Here we have created a client object. Our NodeMCU board will be the client. This is to create the cryptocurrency object. This is an API object to which we the Bitcoin value. These are some variables. These are some time variables that we have declared in order to know about the intervals in which we will be getting the values. Inside the setup we have begin the display panel, clear it and set the contrast. This is the mode of our Wi-Fi station mode. We have disconnected it previously. Now after then giving a delay. These are some serial print statements for debugging purpose only. This is a Wi-Fi begin, needing the SSID and the password. Wi-Fi begin with the SSID and password. And we are checking the connection status, and if it's connected, we are displaying the connection status on LCD display. We will see it on the LCD. And if it's get connected, it will show the SSID on the display panel. So this whole section was to display the connection details on the LCD. Now we have declared a function print ticker data. This is the function through which we will get the Bitcoin value from the website. This is the API object that we created above. Through this function we are getting the Bitcoin value in. So the first parameter is the ticker. In our case, the ticker is Bitcoin. The second parameter is the type of currency in which we want to display the Bitcoin value. Presently it is euro, and we want it the currency in US dollars. So we will write USD. Now we are checking if we get any error from the website. If there is no error, we will print the information on the screen. So the first information will be the ID. In our case, the ID is Bitcoin, and the name of the cryptocurrency is also Bitcoin. The third value will be the symbol. Symbol is BTC. The next information will be the rank. As there are many cryptocurrencies, so there is a rank. Next information will be the price. This will be the price in BTC, and the percentage change in the value in 1 hour, then the percentage change in the value in 24 hours, then the percentage change in 7 days, and last information will be the price in dollars. Else, if we get an error from the website, the error will be displayed on the screen. So this is the end of the setup function, and after that we have loop. In loop we are calling our function for the printing of the Bitcoin value. This is the above function that we have discussed. This is the check method that we are writing, so that we can get the value of the Bitcoin value from the server, from the website, after a certain amount of time. Now before uploading the code, we have to select the board. The board should be NodeMCU ESP12E. Then port number. Click on upload.
चलने लगा ना.
So done. Now it is connecting. It is trying to connect. So now it is connected. The ID is Bitcoin, name is also Bitcoin, symbol is BTC, its rank is number 1, and its price in BTC is 1. Percentage change, the present price in US dollars is 3830.50 US dollars. So this was all about the Bitcoin currency and displaying it on the LCD panel. Thank you.